How to make page numbers, Roman numerals in Google. Hey, what's up guys, and let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have a Google Doc in order to insert page numbers. So in my case, I have 4 pages, as you can see from my right hand side. In case if you would also like to start a Roman number from your second page, in my case, I'm on my second page, so in order to insert a Roman numeral here, click onto the header section. Double click onto it, you will see a page like this. Then click on Insert. Click on Special Characters, make sure to select Number, and click on Other. Likewise, you will see Roman number here, so click onto it, and once you do so, you will see this one here. Now, in order to exit from this header section, click onto your exact content, and likewise, this will be same on your second page as well. If you would like to change on the second page, repeat the same process. Double click onto it, click on Insert, Special Characters. Then here you will see this II option here. Click onto it. In some cases, if you double click onto this header, you will also see an option that says Link to Previous. You have to uncheck it. In my case, it is not showing because I have disabled it. In your case, it might be different, so be noted to uncheck the Link to Previous button here. And likewise, that way, this is how you can add Roman numerals in your pages. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.